My name is Xinyu. My dream is to make food for the people who also loves food and cooked food with love. If you want to eat real, then you need to eat homemade food by the people from Sichuan. I was born in China and from Sichuan province. The reason that I want to introduce people here in Holland to know the real Sichuan cuisine because the real taste like how it really tastes like Sichuan food cooked by at home. It's not like from the restaurant because they adjust the taste, add different things inside. But when you cook at home, it's really just simple and it tastes like the authentic Sichuan food because I'm also from Sichuan and I love cooking and I also like to share my food with people who also love Sichuan food. It's good.